Hi, today we're going to be unboxing and instantly modding the Sony PS3 Super Slim 12 gig. Okay, so I've been thinking about getting one. It's just come out. I've just got one, traded in some stuff, got it for around about 50 quid. I wonder if it's any good. Let's see. Right, time for the unboxing. Let's do it. Okay. Already removed the tape for ease of use for this video. It's the first time I've seen it. I've seen this on YouTube, so let's see what it's been like. Let's have a look. Okay. One new DualShock 3. Power cable, standard UK. What's this? This is the USB charger. Little known fact, you can use these for anything what's got the mini USB, so they're handy. Oh, what's this? PlayStation 2 lead. Or PlayStation lead even, this is great. And even got one of these things. Right, by the looks of it, no HD cable. Let's find out. Right, there it is in there. Let's see. Instructions in many languages, I take it. Maybe not English. Let's have a look. Gonna need two hands, I think. 1 minute. You might want to take more care about this. Let's just say entertainment for everybody. Well, this is going to be entertainment for everybody because we're going to have a look at this now. Oh yes, egg cartons. Oh, and just chuck it around, you know, £150. Here we go. Ooh, corrugated plastic. Here we go. Well, what do I think? First impressions. Ooh. Right, let's have a look. Your basic. This machine does Blu-ray, DVD, CD, Dolby Digital, DTS, Bluetooth and HDMI. This one has got two ports on it. It's USB ports for you, whatever. And on the back, as they say, you've got Ethernet port, HDMI port, a optical sound cable, and the old-fashioned PlayStation port. That's amazing. And an AC power adapter plug, which means there is no power box for this, which is great really, because it keeps that out of the way. Let's see. First opening. Ooh, clanky. We've got the Blu-ray lens. Oh, and it works on the little clips to clip the disc in like the old PS1. Oh, that's quite clever. Not. Right. Let's do this. Apparently on these, to get your hard drive access, you have to take this side off. That's the side opposite the disc tray. Apparently you slide it back, so push it in the corner, it slid back. It's a bit easy, that's flimsy, isn't it? Okay, right, and off. Okay, cheap. Glad to see they're keeping the standard. And there's your hard drive port in the 12 gig. No hard drive in it, and what looks like no caddy in it. No, definitely no caddy. What am I going to do with no caddy? To the shed. Right, a little bit random, but this is my shed. I just wanted to show everybody the shed as it is now. It's what I call my techno dump. My techno dump shed. Old arcade machine which I built, which is too big. Unigame arcade machine which I built. My tabletops which I just made over the summer because I was a bit bored with all the junk in the shed, so I thought, what can I do with it? I know, I'll make a couple of, well, PCs, and this one's meant to have been. Anyway, enough of that.